Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, dates back to 1605 when Guy Fawkes attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament. But did you know that the tradition of lighting bonfires started as a way to celebrate the king's survival? People would burn effigies of Fawkes to symbolize the failure of the plot. Interestingly, the night has evolved into a celebration of community, with fireworks lighting up the sky. In some places, it's also a time for storytelling, sharing tales of rebellion and resilience. And here's a fun fact. The word guy, as in a poorly dressed man, actually comes from Guy Fawkes himself.